Hi everyone, and welcome to another tour of the Bartholin building. A lot has happened since our last video, and the progress here is very good. When seeing the building from the outside, you might have noticed that the big slice of bricks that have been cut out of the facade is now closed with a large window, giving beautiful views of the park from all of the 5 floors. Closing the building in good time before the winter makes it possible to begin many of the inside tasks. Floor installation, wall panels and ceilings are already on the way on many floors. I'm standing here in front of the DNA-shaped stairway that leads from floor to floor in the open and light-filled atrium. In the new Bartholin building, the atrium and the stairs will create an open connection between the floors, as we know it from the Skov building, creating good opportunities for collaboration and cohesion between the many research groups. Right now, the construction is following the timeline, and we expect to begin the relocation process in late 2024 or beginning of 25. I will now show you a small taste of what you can expect when you move in.